Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to fix Windows 11 startup repair not working. First, make sure your PC is fully powered off. Turn it on and as soon as Windows starts loading, hold the power button to force shutdown. Do this 2 or 3 times. Windows will then open the recovery screen automatically. On the recovery screen, click Advanced Options. Then click Troubleshoot. Now select Advanced Options again. Click Startup Repair. Choose your Windows account if asked and enter your password. Let Windows try to fix the startup problem. If your PC boots normally after this, you are done. If startup repair fails or says it could not repair your PC, go back to the Advanced Options screen again. Click Troubleshoot, then Advanced Options. This time, select Command Prompt. Choose your Windows account if needed. In the Command Prompt window, type the following commands one by one. Press Enter after each command. First, type bootrec/fix mbr. Wait for the operation to complete. Next, type bootrec/fix boot. If you get an access denied message, do not worry. Just continue. Now type bootrec/scanos. This will scan your system for Windows installations. After that, type bootrec/rebuild bcd. If it asks to add the installation to the boot list, type Y and press Enter. Once all commands are completed, type Exit. Press Enter to close the command prompt. Now click Continue to boot into Windows 11. Your system should now start normally. Thanks for watching.